You stop it. My blood is Xanax and Red Bull. It chugs, and it takes a lot of gas. And I lose a couple of screws each time I use a brain cell, but it functions. Kind of. That sounds like a very high-pitched voice to keep up. If you have water with you, take sips of it. Save your voice. Make sure it isn't like ice cold water. That'll just contract your throat. That's not good. I recommend room temperature water. I've been looking in the fridge for my risotto for the past 3 minutes, and I can't. Oh, there it is. Fuck, this isn't my risotto. It's leftover yakisoba. But I don't care, this'll do. I'm fucking hungry. I'm making Elvis impressions and I'm going to eat noodles. How meta is this? I'm just gonna go ahead and eat some fucking noodles. You have a lovely night.